girls with their nails done now.
What is going on, everyone? The Blitz141 here, back at it again for another unboxing. This is probably the first time in a very long time you see me unbox anything. Last time you probably see me unbox something was back probably last year, the release of Black Ops 4. So I'm going to be unboxing today, as you can tell from the title. The Nacon Revolution Unlimited Pro Controller. Now let's get into the unboxing. So I've seen the Astro C40 controller. I've been seeing reviews on that. Not the best reviews I've seen, and yes, it is kind of what I expected with that controller. That controller's not the best, but it's alright. So this is why I ended up buying this controller instead, because the Astro here in Australia, the Astro C40 controller is like costs $400 for it, which is just insane. So this does come in the carrying case, which is very nice. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. Whoa, this feels nice already in hand. I will do like a proper game review of this, so keep an eye out for that. Wow, the triggers feel way better than the last one already in hand. So this is wide and wireless. You can use this wide if you want. So here are the paddles at the back. So that's that. Like, this is the instructions or whatever, and that's cool. They give you a cloth as well. Alright, so this is the dongle that you plug into your PS4. Yeah, so you plug into your PS4. I'll set it up in like a next video or something and then show you guys and I will most likely do a review of this like a year later, see how it holds up. So these are like, yeah, so these are weights that you can put into the controller. I think you slide this off, yeah, so you slide this off. You can put, some people like heavier controllers, like that controller to feel heavy, so you can put that in there. You can do this for both sides as well, make your controller feel a bit more heavier. Me personally, I like it lighter. So there is a volume, I'll zoom in. Sorry if the quality is not the best. Like, I had this camera since like, I don't know, 2007, 2008. So you got increase in volume on your headset, so that's nice. So I do have some control freaks that I can put on here, like what I did for the last one, so that should be no problem. So you get extra little thumbs you can use to put on here. So you can pop this off and then get these and take this middle part off, and then you can increase the thickness of the middle part of the thumbstick, so you can actually so see, if I take this off, you have more room to move your thumbstick around. But if I put this back on, it's less space. So I guess if you want to be a more accurate shot or something like that, but it's cool. They give you all the extra weights in there and stuff like that, so you can put this in here for storage as well, which is nice, and put it in the carrying case. Also, here is braided wire that it comes with. So if you want to play it wide, you can do that if you want to. You need it as well for charging. So here's the book that comes with. So here's a wireless controller. Sorry, I was just looking at that controller there for a second. Yeah, so here are the Avid controllers. They're coming out with headsets now, which is cool. I didn't know about that. Got some cases as well for controllers and headsets as well, which is nice. So yeah, so I will be doing a gameplay review of this and then my thoughts on it after going through a few games with it, and then I'm going to be doing till the end of this year, I'm going to do another video of this controller, how it's been over, how it's been through the whole year. So yeah, so if you guys want to take a look at my gaming setup, why not? I'm already here. So this is my monitor I play on. So there's my headset and stuff, and this is just like my work. Just do homework, watch YouTube movies, things like that. And then there's my PS4, and then say Xbox there. So yeah, that's my setup. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe, and catch you in the next video. See you guys.